Welcome back. Goa has been awarded as the most competitive state in India for the year 2013. This award was received by Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar at the hands of Vice President of India Amit Ansari on 26 June in Delhi. A survey was initiated by Mint, the Wall Street Journal, with Harvard professor Michael Portis from Institute of Competitiveness.
Mint म्हणून जो एक जर्नल आसा हिंदुस्तान टाइम्साचो आणि एक मायकल पिटर्स इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस हांणी दोगांयनी संयुक्त अभ्यास करून काही पॅरामिटर्स लावन सगळ्या स्टेटींचो अभ्यास केल्लो. भितर गोंय स्टेट आसा, गुजरात आसा, मध्य प्रदेश आसा, दिल्ली आसा, आंध्र प्रदेश आसा आणि महाराष्ट्र आसा. 6 स्टेटींक दिले. गोंय स्टेटीक असलो अवॉर्ड खरो मुख्यमंत्र्यान वचप आसलें ताका. मुख्यमंत्री आउट ऑफ स्टेशन असल्यामुळे गोव्याक सादारण बरो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बऱ्यो हेल्थ सर्विसीस हे सादारणपणे हे निकशान वयर लागता गोंय आणि त्यामुळे ह्या पॅरामिटरांनी मागीर इवन रस्ते ह्या स्टेटीक बरो बेनिफीट मेळटा. नेटवर्क रस्त्यांचे बरें आसा. देशाच्या अन्य तुलनेत हांगा हेल्थ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बऱ्यापैकी आसा. आमकां वेगळ्या पॅरामिटराचेर मार्क दितात आणि स्टेट वयर वता आमची. अंदूच्या वर्साक हेल्थांत आमी 2 घेतले अवॉर्ड, नंबर 1 स्टेट म्हणून. आणि हो ओवरऑल परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ द स्टेट म्हणून मोस्ट कॉम्पिटिटीव स्टेट्स अवॉर्ड इन इंडिया 2013 असो अवॉर्ड घेवपाक खूब आनंद दिसता. स्टेट योग्य मार्गान चलता.
The arrangements and preparations in the functional areas related to Lusofonia Games were discussed on Thursday at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. The organizers had a joint discussion over traffic arrangements, in particular as Fatorda will host both the opening and closing ceremonies.
Detailed planning will be the key for the success of Lusofonia Games to be held in November. The transportation facilities were discussed at length in Thursday's meeting at Nehru Stadium. Fatorda is the most important venue as it will host the opening and closing ceremonies of the multinational sporting bonanza. Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa, Sandeep Jakis, gave details.
No, basically we had come in for a review to check up the arrangements which can be done for the opening and the closing ceremony and also during the other event days. So we had all our functional areas, related functional areas with us, especially the transport FA, the security FA, the venue development people. So all of us were trying to identify which are the bottleneck areas and try to come out to a sort of a conclusion where we can work out a smooth traffic flow and circulation flow. Okay. I think we have come to that particular consensus and we are working out.
A reporter from Fatorda, Pratik Parab.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.